Afternoon. We appreciate it. We didn't even know we were doing this morning. We woke up and
I'm doing what? What are we doing?
Sleep right now, actually.
Yeah, this is a dream.
This is a dream, yeah.
I'm sleeping. Our band is still sleeping, but here's my buddy Bobby right now.
How's everybody doing out there? Wait a minute now. Bring it down, fellas. I said, how's everybody doing out there? All right, we're all the way from Las Vegas, Nevada. My buddy right there on the keyboards, that boy is known as Lance Lipinski. We call him the Killer for many reasons. That young man on drums right there, he goes by the name of Dean Z. How about a big yell? All right. Follow, come on. Put your hands together. We're going to do a little. Now, unpopular to contrary that I am not Elvis. I am not playing Elvis. I'm not trying to look like Elvis. I know. You think I'm Elvis. I know.
Will Smith, everybody.
Will Smith. Thank you very much.
Will Smith, yeah.
Obama.